Hi, today I would like to share about our product, which is a contact resistant tester. The model number is MiCRO200. Alright, so it is, when you buy this unit, it is equipped by a test sample. We call it test sample, and then the value is 749 microohms. Alright, so today the load that I'm using is a test sample because it is simple to be tested in a lab. And then this is how does it equipment looks. Alright, so very beautiful, and then it is touch screen LCD equipped, and then which is easy to use, and then you will be supplied as well with the thermal printer and then the test lead. Alright, one black and red. Okay, let's do the testing. So when you open this equipment, it is appeared, the display will appear as it is. Alright, so just press test. Now I'm doing the testing up to 200 amps. Alright, so you can make a name to the test that you're gonna do. Alright, so now I'm going to do the testing for ABC. For example, my name is ABC, right? So I just press ABC and then key in and then press enter and then exit. Alright, ABC, enter. Okay, exit. Here we go. Okay, so you can set the current up to 200 amps, starting from 50 amps, 100 amps, and 200 amps, and also 150 amps. Alright, so I'm gonna use 200 amps for my testing. And then the second I want to set is 10 seconds only. Alright, so let's have a start. Alright, now I'm doing the testing. To test this test sample for 10 seconds. Here you go. This is the result that we got from this testing. And 749.2 is equal to the test sample that you were provided. Okay, so now if you want to save this data, you can have a thumb drive insert to the port that provided, and then you can save using UDisk. You can press UDisk. If you want to print, just press the print button. If you want to start, it's all over again, and then you can press start. Okay, then if you want to exit, then just press exit. Okay, then go to exit. This is equipped with the Bluetooth function as well, so the apps will be provided to you, and then you have to install in your phone. Alright, it will be given as well during the purchase. Okay, and then that's all for MiCRO200 contact resistance from Altern Diagnostic. If you have any inquiry, need clarifications and anything about that, please visit our website www.alterndiagnostic.com and contact us. Thanks. That's all for it.